Hi and welcome to the Blueye launch event here in Trondheim, Norway. Today we are presenting the most significant product launch since the Blueye Pioneer. I am Christian and I have the pleasure of being the CEO of Blueye Robotics. During this event, the Blueye team will take you through all the details and what possibilities the new model will open up for. Our sales and engineering teams are already available to answer any questions you may have. Please use the Q&A function in Zoom to submit your questions. And at the end of the event, we will present the offer we have made in connection with the launch. Since the beginning, we have had several successful product launches, and we have made the transition from D2C to B2B. And the launch of the new model marks the end of a journey in that sense. But it's also the beginning of a new chapter of endless possibilities. To tell you more about our growth and the current status in the market, I invite Oda, the marketing director of Blueye, to join me.
Hi Christian.
Hello Oda, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And hi everyone. When I started back in 2018, we were only weeks away from shipping our first product, the Blueye Pioneer, out to customers. Since then, as Christian also mentioned, a lot has developed within the company. Today, Blueye can count customers in over 40 different countries, and we see them using our ROVs for all kinds of different purposes. Our customers, they range from large global companies such as Equinor and Maersk to different smaller inspection companies with less experience with ROVs. And later during this event, you'll hear from an excited Blueye customers and their plans with our new model.
In addition to growing the number of customers, we have also developed a network of partners that are important for our future growth. We started the Blueye Partner Program about a year ago, and now you can find Blueye partners in 17 different countries, ready to serve our customers in their local markets.
Through close talks with professionals within shipping, aquaculture, marine robotics, and different marine services, and also through our support channels, we have now developed a next generation ROV, ready to serve our customers with a larger range of possibilities, going beyond solely being an eye below the surface.
Now, we acknowledge that we are certainly not the first company launching this type of product, but in Blueye we take our time to develop long-lasting products. Seamless integrations, regular software updates, and a strong commitment to user-friendliness, so you can trust our products to work for your operation every time. Okay, following next in the program, the Blueye launch video and a technical presentation by our CTO, Jonas Follese.